Today we are going to perform practical number 6. Connect balance star load connection to get the required voltage and current. In a three-phase balance system, the three voltages are equal in magnitude and frequency, but they are displayed from 120-degree angle apart. There are two types of connecting load in three-phase system. First one is the star connection and second one is the delta connection. In our practical, we see first the star connection. The star connection is found by connecting starting or terminating end of all the three windings together at a point, and this common point is called the neutral point. The remaining three ends are brought for the supply connection. Star connection is preferred for long distance power transmission. Means the line voltage is root 3 times the phase voltage, and IL is equal to IPH means the line current is equal to the phase current. Line voltage is indicated as VL and phase voltage is indicated as a VPH. Line current is indicated as IL and the phase current is indicated as a IPH. Input have three terminals. They are RYB indicated with color difference. So the each current from R phase will be fed to the R load, then next to the Y load and B load. This is the R phase, this is Y and this is B. The entry of current IR will be considered as start of R phase, and this point is considered as finish of R phase. Similarly, this is the start of Y phase and finish of Y phase. Then this is the start of B phase and this is the finish of B phase. Okay. Then the phase current indicated as IR, IY and IB. Then the line current between the terminal RY and B are indicated as IRY, IYB and IBR. Then the phase voltages that is measured between start of R phase and the finish of R phase, which are indicated as VR, VY and VB. Then the line voltage, that is the voltage measured between RY and B terminal, which is indicated as VRY, VYB and VBR. This is the star connection. So three loads comes to the point. So this is the R phase, this is Y phase and this is the B phase. The current entry point considered as SR and exit point is considered as a FR. Similarly, SY and FY, then SB and FB. The star connection is where similar ends meet at a point. It's called the neutral point. Okay. This is the neutral point. So the relation between the voltage and current in a star and IL is equal to IPH. This is the circuit diagram of our practical. Here three-phase AC input 415 volt 50 Hz supply is given. There are three phases R, Y and B. This is the whole of is a star connection. Then we have connect 2 AC ammeter and 2 AC voltmeter. this ammeter is connected in series and this ammeter measure the line current IL. Okay, then this current enter in a R phase. This is the R phase, this is the Y phase and this is the B phase. Once the current enter in R phase, this ammeter is used to measure the phase current IPH. Here we can use lamp as a load because these lamp are equivalent to resistor. So we can use the total 6 number of lamp, 2 lamp in each phase, so that the circuit is a balance. And the point at which all they meet is a neutral point. Then this voltmeter VL is measured across the line supply R and Y. So this record the voltage VRY. Then we have connect another voltmeter across start and finish of B phase. So that record the phase voltage. So this is the balanced circuit. So this is the balanced circuit. VR will be same as VY and VY will be same as VB. So VR is equal to VY is equal as seen in circuit diagram. Input is 3 phase 415 volt 50 Hz is given. These are the 3 terminal R, Y and B. This is the R, Y, B. Then this is the TPST, means triple pole single through switch. Okay, this is the TPST switch. This is the one which operate the movement of one switch. The moving of one, we can operate all the 3 switches. And this is the fuse for protecting the circuit. In this circuit, we are using measuring instrument such as ammeter and voltmeter. Okay, this is the device which is indicated by A. A means the device which measure the current and the unit of current is ampere. So this is the ammeter and then AC is indicated and range. Let us learn about voltmeter. Voltage is measured in volt. The unit of voltage is volt and the AC is indicated by this symbol and the range of this is 0 to 500 volt and this voltmeter have 2 terminal, common and range. Then this is the resistive load. As seen in circuit diagram, every phase have start and finish. So this is the start of R and this is the finish of R. Similarly, start of Y, finish of Y, start of B and finish of B. Each phase have 2 bulbs in series. So we know after SR we have an ammeter. Okay. Here we also have the provision for ammeter connection here. So SR ammeter L1 and L2. So SR one terminal will be connected here. This is the ammeter L1, L2 and finish. Then connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. In a circuit diagram, from R phase there is an internal connection to TPST. Then connect one terminal of ammeter to R phase and the another terminal is connected to the then the another ammeter is connected to this point where we can make the provision for measuring the phase current IPH. Okay, after that L1 L2 is connected, then the FR FY and FB connected to this point. This is the neutral point. So we connect FR to FY and from FB we connect either FR or FY. So we connect to the FY. Then the neutral connection is done. Then lamp 3 and lamp 4 and Y phase. So from SR to Y phase, then so SY to Y phase, then SB is connected to the B, then SB to B phase. Then we have to connect this voltmeter across R and Y terminal. So this is the R and Y, and take a voltmeter and connect across R and Y terminal. Okay, then we connect this voltmeter across SB and FB, that is across B phase. That is starting of B phase and this terminal is connected to finish of B phase. So let us learn which instrument measuring what. So this is the voltmeter connected across SB and FB, that is across the P phase, which measure the phase voltage. Next, this voltmeter connected across line supply R and Y. So this measure the line voltage VL. Next, this is the ammeter connected from line and then the phase. This ammeter connected to the R phase and then the R input supply. So this measure the line current IL. Next, ammeter is connected here which measure the phase current. First, switch on the supply. switch on the load and take the reading. This is the VL, which is 419, then VPH, which is 238, then IL, which is 0.19, and then IPH, which is 0.20. Then we can similar take the further reading. Then the IPH is 0.18, VPH is 238 volt, IL is 0.20 ampere, and VL is 419 volt. Then we have to replace this value in this formula and verify where VL is equal to √3 VPH and IL is equal to IPH. Okay, so in this practical we can verify the relation between voltage and current in a star connection.